Hello, let's talk about good and service tax. Good and goods and service tax refer to an indirect tax. The implementation of this tax is in India. The collection of these taxes takes place from the position of consumption. This is the this is in contrast to collection from the point of origin like previous taxes. Furthermore, this taxes imposition is at every step in the production process. The refund is all the parties in the various stage of production also get include almost the indirect taxes. Explanation of GST. First of all, GST good service tax is a single tax system. The imposition of this tax takes place jointly by the center and the state. Furthermore, the imposition happens with the recommendation of a federal council. In GST, the goods and services are divided into five different tax slabs. This is for the purpose of the tax collection. Above all, the tax slabs are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Also, petrol includes alcoholic drinks and electricity do not come under GST. Rough precious and semi-precious stones carrying a special rate of 0.25%. Gold also carry a special rate of 3%. GST certain submit several taxes and levels. These include central excise duties, service tax, and additional customs duty. Furthermore, state level VAT surcharges and octroi also come from GST. The GST regime has done away with levels. Also, these levels are applicable to interstate transportation of goods. Most noteworthy, the application of GST is on all transactions. These transactions are sale, purpose, transfer, lease, and import. Benefit of GST. First of all, the cascading tax effect refer to a tax on tax. Most noteworthy GST eliminates the cascading effect of taxes. This is because GST is a comprehensive indirect tax. It certainly brings almost all indirect uh, taxation under one umbrella. Another notable advantage of GST is the increase in the threshold for registration. Early, a VAT was applied if the turnover was more than 5 lakh. This VST application was upon a business. Furthermore, there was no service tax when turnover was less than 10 lakh. In contract, under GST, this threshold is 20 lakh. Hence, this means an exemption for many small trades and service providers. Small business can certain benefits significant under GST. Furthermore, these small business have a turnover of rupees 20 lakh to 75 lakh. The benefit of this small business takes place due to the composition scheme. Under GST, there is an option for small business to lower taxes. They can do so by utilizing the composition scheme. The entire process of GST is available online. Most noteworthy, it is an easy and simple process. Therefore, it is really beneficial for startup business. This is because they do not have to struggle to get different registration. In conclusion, GST has been a revolutionary tax system of India. Most noteworthy, many experts hail it as one of the biggest tax reforms. GST certain is beneficial for the entire population of India. Thank you. This is the topic of GST, one nation, one tax. Thank you.